Wait, don't skip this video. Do you think drawing a house is difficult? Let's draw one together, step by step. And yes, you can draw this with me right now. Draw a paper, take a pen or pencil, sit comfortably, and draw along with me. Don't just watch. Try it simultaneously. It's very easy to draw.
We start with a
Trust me.
simple rectangle. Draw slowly. If your lines are not straight, that's completely okay. This is not an exam. It's just drawing. Now, add a slanted roof on top. 2 lines, meeting like a triangle. Look at that! We already have the shape of a house. Pause the video if needed. Complete your shape. Then continue. Okay, now let's add details. Draw small square windows. 1, 2, 3. You can place them anywhere you like. Now, draw a plus sign inside each window. This makes it look like glass. Now, draw a door on one side. Imagine someone walking inside this house. Take your time. Pause the video and finish your windows and door. I'll wait. Now let's make this drawing fun. Draw a circle in the corner. That's our sun. Now give the sun sunglasses. Yes, a cool sun. Draw small lines around it. These are sun rays. Now draw clouds. Just simple wavy lines. Don't overthink. Just move your hand freely. Pause and complete your sky. Then come back. Now comes the most relaxing part. Coloring. Start with blue for the house walls. Don't try to color perfectly. Random strokes actually look beautiful. Now color the roof. Use brown or orange. Color the sun yellow, grass green. Enjoy this moment. Drawing is not about speed. It's about feeling. Pause the video and complete your coloring. Take your time. Now, let's finish our drawing. Make outlines darker. Add small details if you want. And that's it. You created a beautiful house. Thank you for drawing with me today. I'm really happy you tried this. keep practicing, and you'll see improvement in every drawing. See you in the next video.